And the winner for this basket, Mama Mitch and I did was what's up YouTube? It's the one and only Master Mitch, and we are back with a special video. As you can see, we have Mama Mitch in the building.
Hey everyone.
So last video, if you guys missed it, Mama Mitch and I did a DIY do-it-yourself Mother's Day gift basket / giveaway. Here's the basket that we did. The link will be in the description below. So to win the giveaway, or to be a part of the giveaway, you had to answer 2 questions. Where was Mother's Day originated? The president that started Mother's Day, and what does your mom mean to you? So of course the first 2 questions are easy, you know, to come across. You can look that up, but the third question really is what sets everyone apart. So that's why I want to throw the third question in there. So we ended up picking a winner, and the winner for this basket, Mama Mitch and I did, was Clarissa was the winner. So shout out to Clarissa. Thank you so much for participating. I loved your response. If you
Me too. It was awesome.
It reminded me of something how I would respond. So you know, we here. We right here. But anyway, so shout out to Clarissa again. And while we are at it, it was not easy to pick a winner. Everyone had great responses, whether it was one sentence, one word. Whatever your mom means to you is what she means to you, you know. So for that, I wanted to acknowledge some of the people that participated in the giveaway, and we will be sending Mother's Day gift boxes. We have them back here on the table. Gift boxes and gift baskets. Actually, will be some of the similar things that you did see in the do-it-yourself video that me and my mom did for the Mother's Day gift. So yeah. So I just thank you guys for participating. Thank you for all your support, and it's just, you know, a little token to show my appreciation. It was great. You got anything you want to say? Or
it was awesome. And again, happy Mother's Day to everyone, to those special moms, grandmothers, aunts, play mamas, mothers,
adoptive
angel moms. We really appreciate you, and this is just, you know, a day set aside for you, but you deserve so much more.
Yes, for sure. And while we're at it, so for in honor of Mother's Day, and
stepmothers.
And adoptive mothers.
Adoptive mothers, absolutely.
All the mothers, you already know. Mama, you know I love you. Y'all heard that? I love you.
Sing! Sing, Mitch!
Mama.
Yeah. You feel that.
Mama, you're the queen of my home. Your love is like from the start. Mama, I just want you to know. Mama, I just want you to know.
Oh, you did that run. You tried.
Loving you is like food to my soul.
Wanye, where you at?
Sign me up. Just like, but now, in honor of Mother's Day month, I will be doing the rest of my videos with Mama Mitch, so you guys can see more of Mama Mitch. She's gonna be in the videos. We got some challenges coming up.
Hey.
We have a video coming up explaining just, you know, mother and daughter relationship, how a relationship is, how hard our relationship can be sometimes, how sometimes it can be the best situation. Chill out now, ain't that bad. So yes, we have a couple of challenges that we're doing as well. That's going to be so much fun. I already know y'all going to enjoy it. But anyway, that is it. Once again, shout out to Clarissa. Some people who also participated was Laura. Thank you, Laura, for participating. We have Irene. Thank you, Irene. It was a few. So thank you guys so much. And thank you for taking this journey with me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You already know. My bad. You already know. So yeah, Master Mitch and Mama Mitch, we're signing out. Peace.